Hi, this is San Diego injury attorney and legal author Mark Blaine, and I'd like to talk to you about a legal help book I recently sat down and wrote and had published. It's called The Ultimate California Drunk Driving Accident Book for Victims of These Accidents to Understanding Their Legal Rights in California. Now, this book covers everything you need to know about if you have been injured by a drunk driver in California. This includes how you can request punitive damages on top of your regular negligent damages. There's a chapter focusing on the California Victims Compensation Fund, including the criminal ramifications against the at-fault drunk or intoxicated driver, and how it can relate to your civil case. There's also a chapter on the biggest mistakes that you can avoid so you don't ruin your drunk driving injury case. There's a how-to guide for choosing the right drunk driving accident lawyer and when to hire one. There's a section on underage drinking and what you need to know about. There's also a special chapter focusing on kids and drunk driving and how the California courts supervise the settlement legal process on those cases. The book also explains the California dram shop law, which is basically how a social host of a party may be held legally responsible for alcohol-related injury accidents. I have also included a number of frequently asked questions regarding DUI accidents and injuries. And finally, there's a complete glossary of any of the legal terminology that you're going to need to know in your case regarding your potential drunk driving injury claim against that at-fault driver. Now, I usually sell this book on Amazon.com, but if you're a California resident or if you have been injured in a California drunk driving accident, you can get it completely free of charge on my website, blainelaw.com. You can request it as a paperback or as a free ebook download. It's really just that simple. If you have a family member that's been injured and has questions, you can pick up the phone and simply call me at area code 619-813-7955. I promise to give you a straightforward answer. That's my guarantee to you. I'm Mark Blaine. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.